Welcome to Spirit Shack. This is the Phasm Camera made by Ghost Stop. So this is pretty much like the GoPro, but it's designed by ghost hunters for ghost hunters. So it is really different from a GoPro. It has the infrared and ultraviolet filters removed. So basically this can be used as a night vision camera and also as a full spectrum camera. It has a built-in IR light to filming in night vision. So just from the camera itself, you can walk around and film in the dark. Just with this little thing on its own, you can walk around and film night vision. So obviously you can see by looking at the camera's screen, and obviously the camera can see with the built-in infrared night vision light. You can also use it in conjunction with a full spectrum light to film in full spectrum. It has magnetic button things on the bottom, so basically this can fit to anything that's made of metal, whether it be your camera or camcorder, or whether it be a rig that holds your lights and things. It also comes with this, so this is a fully waterproof case, so you can go underwater up to 30 meters whilst it's in the case. And this attachment gives you all sorts of, there's a big assortment of different fittings that fit onto the bottom of this to attach it to pretty much anything you can think of. It has a built-in rechargeable battery, so it comes with a USB charger cable to charge it. You can plug it into the computer to transfer photos and videos. And one other amazing feature is you can download the app from Ghost Stop and install it on your phone or tablet, so you can remotely control and view this camera from another device, which is really handy. There's only one downside about this, and that's the battery life isn't that great, but you can use a USB battery pack to plug that into it, and you can literally get nearly a full day of use out of this if you use it with the USB battery pack. So I'd recommend having a rig that holds this and whichever light you're using, and you can also use some Velcro and stick a USB battery pack to it. Yeah, with the USB, because it's such a low drain, with the USB battery pack, you know, it's more than adequate battery life. So already got more than adequate storage. Yeah, ultra high quality video and sound. So it's 4K, ultra high definition. That's the same whether it's in night vision and full spectrum. So this is the best camera to have for ghost hunters. There's obviously higher quality cameras such as a high-end Sony, but that can't film in night vision, and also it hasn't got the full spectrum. So this is the best night vision and full spectrum camera for ghost hunters. So it really is an incredible piece of kit. So if you want one of these, I'll leave a link in the video description, and thanks for watching.